Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here with another video for you. And this is mail call. I got some Stitchy kindness from Kathy from Texas. So here is the envelope that it came in. As you can see, it is stuffed. Lots of fabric in there. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you what I received. There's a lot of Aida, which, you know, I love Aida. So there's a whole big bunch of the white Aida. And I'm not sure, it could be 14 count, but a whole bunch of it. So really happy about that. And then I got some small size white Aida. And then I got the waist canvas. And then I got some plastic sheets here. And I will probably use these. She had emailed me and said that she had some Mill Hill, that she had did the kits, but she was going to send me the patterns and all the leftover like beads and floss. So I will probably be using these to work those Mill Hill kits. So I got 2 of those. And then I got some alphabets, so patterns of alphabets. And then there's some more waist canvas inside. Some more Aida. These are perfect size Aida for me because of the smalls that I do. So yeah, just so perfect. And then I got a big red one. Now this, I'm not sure. But big, nice piece. So got that. And then I got some linen. So we'll be passing that along. I will be doing, like I've said in my videos, I will be doing a giveaway, and it will be linen, because, you know, anyone that sends me Stitchy kindness and they want to add the linen, please go ahead and add linen, because I can do giveaways and I can give it to somebody that can use it and will use it. So yeah, I've got this linen. I think this is linen. She has on here 28 count Charles Craft natural Irish linen. So that will be in there. Here's another linen. It's like very, very light blue. Very light blue. So there's that linen. And then here is 18 count. This is Fiddler's Light. So I got some of that. Got bookmarks. And I've got things to make magnets with. And I got a switch plate. And another switch plate. And then here is the magnets. Putting everything back in as I get them. One project bag. And it's the green inside. More Aida. This is Irish linen. It's still in the box or in the package. So that will go for giveaway. This is linen. A whole bunch of this. Whole bunch of it. And very, very light blue, it looks like. Okay, so that's all the fabric. Now, these are all the kits, or not the kits, but the patterns that I got. Got Lizzy Kate, 4th of July. I got Lizzy Kate, May. I got Lizzy Kate, April. I've got the Hilda Spring Boutique, the cat one, perfect. I've got a Westies and Scotties one to do. I have, it's like a heart. Can't really see it, but see she has all the beads and whatever was left. Heirloom Santas, Mystical Santa. Mill Hill buttoned holiday pins. And this one is gingerbread. This is Autumn Harvest. And like this one's, like, see, she has all the leftovers. And this is the Cat and the Pumpkin, love it. And pineapple. This is Bucilla, mini Bucilla. This is a nutcracker ornament. This is a Can't really see it. I think it's a pumpkin with the flower on it. Got floss and beads. And then this is floss and beads. And this is the Jolly Saint Nick. So that is what I received from Kathy. Thank you so much, Kathy. I love the patterns, love the patterns. Mill heels are one of my favorite ones to stitch. I've done a few of them, but now I have some more patterns, so I can do some more because I didn't have any. So that was great. Thank you so much. Love all of the Aida. Love all the Aida. I don't really stitch on linen, but that's okay. Like I said, to anybody out there, if they want to send linen my way, go ahead and do that, because I can add it to my giveaways. I'm gonna have a giveaway that is going to be linen. So all of the linen that was sent will be in a giveaway, and it will go to somebody that will use the linen and, wants the linen. So thank you so much, Kathy, for sending all the fabric to me. And I love the project bag. Very cute. Love that. So anyway, that's all for this time. I just wanted to do a mail call video and share with you what I received from Kathy. So I guess that's it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys on my next video. Take care.